Here we got some mangosteen seeds to plant here. This is such a delicious fruit. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seeds to plant. So we'll choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This has something growing in it. I'm not sure what this is. So yeah, I'll just leave that one apart for now. There shouldn't be anything in it. There was a granite apple, but it died off. I'll just kind of loosen the soil just a little bit.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. This is? I love you. What's an opera? What's an opera?
On the loose. It's 5. So we'll distribute these seeds. Put 1 in here. Hope it will take 2. 3. Put 2 in this one, 1 on each side.
No fighting, please. Step up. Good job. Come. Step up, buddy. Step up, buddy. Good boy.
And a marker.
Come, mommy, shoulder.
2 also on this one. 1 on each side.
Don't fight glasses, please.
Easy to separate them after. And a marker. Mangosteen.
Mama called the doctor. Doctor said
26.
monkey jumping on the bed.
That right in the middle.
Kisses. I guess kisses.
These ones up. 1, 2,
Kiss mommy.
3. These
I
ones
love
up, and we'll
you. I love you. No fighting.
mark them on the outside here.
No. That's mean. No fighting. No. Go just give mommy kiss. Nice kiss. Go just. Yes.
Hopefully those markers will stay on there.
Thank you.
1.
No fighting, please. Happy birthday to you.
Now these Mangosteen, after
Happy birthday.
2.5 to 3 weeks, you should see some sprouting coming out.
Happy birthday.
If they're assuming they're fertile, of course. February 26. Mark this guy too. So that my wife doesn't take the dirt here and use it for something else. I'll mark it good. She sees no markings, and she's going to devour my mangosteen plants. So we got 5 here. That one's a dud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, back on the 8th of February, I planted these ones. And you can see there's just one little one coming up here. I think I put 4 in each one. I really forget. I have to go back in the video and look. We definitely have one coming up here. There's one coming up over here. And there's one coming up over here. This would be between 2 and 3 weeks ago. We're getting some success, and this is after about 7 months. This one here. We've still got a long way to go. It's about 20 years to do a tree properly. 20 to 40 years really, but we'll see if we can accelerate the process so I can see some actual fruit before I die. And I will show you some that I have that are good. Hi guys!
Hi, Papa. Say hi, Papa, buddy. Hi, Papa.
Papa, where's my Papa? Papa, where's my Papa?
Oh, is that your Papa? Say
Papa.
Papa. Papa.
Papa, Papa, where's my Papa? Wow. Anybody want scratchy, scratchy? Scratchy, scratchy? Scratchy, scratchy? How about you guys? Hi, Pro. Hi, Pro. Hi, Rose. Okay, we're going to look at the mangosteen. We're doing mangosteen, not parrots. Not parrots. Mangosteen. Mangosteen. This one, these ones here are all 2 years, between 2 and 3 years old. This one's 2 years, these ones are almost 3 years. This one's a 4-year-old. Yeah. And there's a few more at the back there, 2-year, 3-year-olds. So 4 years to get to this stage, and then the next stage after this, after a couple months, we'll be putting this in the plantation. Right after it dries and the rains come again, I stick it in the plantation. And oh, this is a nectarine. Got a nectarine here too, growing in the shade. And of course, all kinds of other varieties. This is the cinnamon apple. Anyhow, back to the mangosteen. This one's the dud, and these ones, February 26th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packets, and the 3 packets on February 28th. I put 4 seeds in each one. At least we got one. And then this one, about a 7-monther, 7, 8 months maybe. I don't know why everything faded off. I had it taped on here, so this taping paper on is a bad idea. But we'll have to get a better system for marking these. Okay, that's it for the mangosteens, I think, today, guys.
Happy birthday.